Hi guys, so this new vlog it's about my new song that I'm working. This one will start right now. So I'm thinking about the melodies and the music part. So I arranged some beats for this song, and I decided this one going as Arabian beat. So I make a beat I like to share with you guys step by step. This song works, how it's working. Let me show you the beat. So this is my DAW. Here, let me play. This is a beat that I made for this song, and one by one I'll making other arrangements. I think you guys can feel how it's going. The beat, as I said, with this vibe I already make a melody, and here I wrote the lyrics also in this moment. So I just putting a kind of how we call dummy vocals for this one. So here my recording mic is ready, so I'm gonna add some more vocals here. Here I'm writing some lyrics for this melody. I'm typing in my phone whatever the rhymes I'm making with the melody, and as I said, I'm recording these dummy vocals right now. So let me do this. Okay, let's record these dummy vocals. Nika shawa simada de dunna satpayan dilena kata tavarunu vilavun suanda tadeulo se pasenduran pinana manavikavi ragana gatama vindina vayana rakamiri swaratala pende hadalayan ipilena. It goes like that. Okay, let's hear that. It's kind of a little bit fast. I just sang one take. I'm recording this as only a dummy, so it goes like that. So I complete this dummy melody. Now I need to work on this arrangement, and the music is I made a little bit kind of vibes with the melody. Last part I'll play again. Pasiduran pinana manudukabi ragana katama vilina vayana rakami saratala pane adala ipilena. Maya Azu Sanra Maya So, guys, uh, that project I worked, I share all the things. So, I came to the last part, and now I'm gonna doing the final vocals at the final vocals for the project, and I finish all the lyrics all done, and I put a dummy as well also. Now it's time for vocals. Let's take the final vocals. Rumaya tinatama makaroratunya magataman makarana unusum kampetia katol kendirili mantara matiri asuna Saleriyat sabanali rati ke liye adadure saluna Saleriyat sabanali rati ke liye adadure saluna Bambara pasa vindi mi sua pasa dakina turura sama gaena Bambara pasa vindi mi sua pasa dakina turura sama gaena Bambara pasa vindi mi turura sama Bambara pasa vindi mi sua pasa dakina turura sama gaena Minuto pasa dakina turura da sabanali ratu ke liye Sith Sarnni Kama Sutra Dane da Binapang Siluvaya Risi Sorun Be Tot Pose Sakme Hotaru So Pegoro Folde Yanil Richente your claims into flame Sao si melody tunai sa pain dilena Okay, I finished the melody line. Now I'm taking some harmonies to this. Hi guys, so I was in my new work, as I said. This song I already finished the vocals. Now I'm on the arrangement part, and before we mixing, I have to do this vocals tuning. So I'm on the tuning process. I mean pitch correction. So it's very important part because even we perfectly singing also we have to fix the tunes. It's bring like fresh vibe to the song. So I took the vocals for another software because I mostly working about the pitch correction on this software, this one called the Cubase. So it's look like this. This one is the music track because I need to check the pitch with that one. Then I'm hearing the this one. So when we double click, we can see all the vocal bits. I mean vocal parts. When we look like this. So I finished all these lines. We have to bring this one with the I can't give the monitor for you guys. This one we have to bring for this side have the chord whatever the we are using for the song. We have to bring to the correct pitch. When some notes going out of the way, when we have then we have to move these notes. So that part also finished.